Hey Dementia Caregivers, Lisa Williver here from At Home with Dementia, and today we are talking about favorite things. So if you are caring for a loved one with dementia, one of the things you want to do in the very beginning of the journey is find out what all of their favorite things are. You may think you know, but it wouldn't hurt to do an inventory. We have an inventory list on our website at homewithdementia.com that you can download for free, and it's a great way for you to really find out all the things they like, because you may think you know your loved one and everything that gets them excited, but there may be lots of surprises. So taking care of Aunt Jerry, I learned very early that because she was born in the 40s and grew up in the 50s, she loves oldies. So I make sure when she wakes up in the morning that the Alexa alarm plays the oldies for her. And it's a really great way for her to start her day. So little things that you can do to incorporate things that your loved one loves and is really excited about will help get them excited. It reduces stress, it alleviates some of the confusion, and caregivers, the more you do, the better it will be for your loved one's outcome. You can literally slow progression with things that you do. So find out what their favorite things are, whether it's their favorite thing to watch on TV, favorite shows, actors, songs, favorite flavor of ice cream, favorite type of chicken, whatever it is. Find out what it is so that you can incorporate that into their routine, and it will make your loved one happier. It will relieve stress, and it will keep them so much calmer. And when they are calmer, they are able to accomplish more and really slow their own progression. So find out what they love. Check out our next video. Visit athomewithdementia.com for your free inventory list. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by.